All right, this is 10.2.8, calculating the momentum after a collision, and this is going to be explosions. So here we have a 1,300 kilogram car in an action movie studio is traveling at 20 meters per second when it is blown up by the demolition crew. It splits into two pieces. Calculate the total momentum of the objects after the explosion. This is going to be very familiar. Like I mentioned about explosions, we're going to start with one object, it's going to become two. So before the explosion, the mass of the car is 1,300 kilograms. The velocity is traveling at is 20 meters per second. And that's it. We only have one object, so we only have one momentum, which means we can just go ahead and plug in our equation, plug in our numbers to find the total momentum before. Oh, I need the calculator on this one. I don't know why I keep closing out of it. So this is before the explosion, right? And since there's only one object, this is actually going to be the total initial momentum. But wait, it's even simpler because we only need one momentum for before, and this is the same momentum after, which means that we already did all we needed to do. We just need to remember our trusty handy law of conservation of momentum.